Hello children. In my last video we had an introduction about fractions. In this video we will learn more about fractions. First of all, have a look on a recap of fractions. As we know, fraction is a part of a whole. The upper part of the fraction indicates the number of those equal parts which we refer to. It is called the numerator, and the lower number of fraction represents the number of total equal parts of a figure. It is called the denominator. Let's see an example. In this figure, the fraction of unshaded part is 3 upon 4 or 3/4. Here, the numerator is 3, that is number of unshaded parts, and the denominator is 4, that is total number of parts. Remember, the denominator of a fraction can never be 0. Let's learn more about fractions. Fractions with numerator 1 are called unit fractions. For example, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 7, etc. Here, in all the fractions, the numerator is 1. So, we call them unit fractions. Fractions with same denominator are called like fractions, such as 2 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 1 upon 7, etc. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. As we can see, 3 upon 8, 4 upon 5, 6 upon 10, all of these fractions have different denominators, so we call them unlike fractions. Here is an activity for you. Circle the like fractions from the given set of fractions. Here, let's see which set of fractions are like fractions and which is unlike fraction. There is the given set of fractions. In first set of fraction we see we have same denominator for all the fractions, so it is a like fraction. In second part we see the different denominators for different fractions, so they are unlike fractions. In this part we see different denominators for different given fractions, so they are also called unlike fractions. In next part we see the denominator for the given fractions is same, that is 7 for all the fractions, so it is a like fraction. The last part we see the fraction is having different denominators for different fractions, so they are unlike fractions. Now let's have a look on the comparison of fractions. There are some rules for comparison of fractions. Rule number 1. As this figure shows the fraction 4 by 5 and figure B shows fraction 2 upon 5. When the denominator is same, greater the numerator, greater is the fraction. In 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 5, we will just compare the numerators as the denominator is same. So, as the numerator 4 is greater than numerator 2, we can say the fraction 4 upon 5 is greater than fraction 2 upon 5. We can also see the shaded region in figure A is greater than the shaded region in figure B. Rule number 2 for the comparison of fractions. Figure A shows the fraction 3 upon 7 and figure B shows the fraction 3 upon 5. When the numerator is same, smaller the denominator, greater is the fraction. For example, in the following figures, fraction 3 upon 7 is less than fraction 3 upon 5, as the denominator 5 is smaller than the denominator 7, and we know the smaller the denominator, the greater is the fraction. So we can say fraction 3 upon 5 is greater than fraction 3 upon 7. Also we can see in the figures that the shaded region in figure B is greater than the shaded region in figure A. Rule 3. Figure A represents 4 upon 5 and figure B represents 4 upon 5. Both of them shows the same fraction. When the numerator and denominator of the figures are same, then the fractions are equal. We can see 4 upon 5 is equal to 4 upon 5 as the numerator and denominator of the given fractions are same. We can also have a look on the shaded part of the figures. The shaded region in figure A is same as the shaded region in figure B. So the fractions are equal. Let's compare the given fractions. Part A. Fraction 8 upon 15 and fraction 4 upon 15. As we see the denominator in both the fractions is same, that is 15, we will apply rule number 1 of comparison. Here the denominator is same, so we will just compare the numerators. As we see the numerator 8 is greater than numerator 4, so the fraction 8 upon 15 will be greater than the fraction 4 upon 15. In part B, fraction 4 upon 9 and fraction 4 upon 8. In these fractions, we see the numerator of the fractions is same, so we will apply rule number 2, where greater the denominator, the smaller is the fraction, and smaller the denominator, greater is the fraction. So as we see in fraction 4 upon 8, the denominator 8 is smaller than denominator 9, so the fraction 4 upon 8 will be greater than fraction 4 upon 9. Part C, 5 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. As we see both the numerator and the denominator are same here, so these fractions are equal. 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. As the given denominators are equal, we will just compare the numerators. Greater the numerator, greater is the fraction. So 3 upon 5 will be greater than 2 upon 5. Activity for you is Ajay and Rahim got 1 chocolate each. Ajay ate 2 upon 8 and Rahim ate 2 upon 5 of the chocolate. Who ate more? Now let's arrange the given set of fractions in ascending order. Here is the given set of fractions. We see the denominator is same in all the fractions, so we will apply rule number 1. Greater the numerator, greater is the fraction, and we will arrange the numerators in ascending order. In this question, we see the numerator is same and denominator is different. So we will apply rule number 2, where greater is the denominator, smaller is the fraction, and we will arrange them accordingly. Now let's arrange the fractions in descending order. Here is the given set of fractions. We see the same denominators in all the fractions, so we will arrange the numerators in descending order. In this question, we see the numerator is same in all the fractions, so greater the numerator, smaller the fraction, and we will arrange the fractions accordingly. Here are some activities given for you. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order and then arrange the following fractions in descending order. Now we will learn how to make unlike fractions as like fraction. As we know, the like fractions have same denominators, so to make the unlike fractions like, we have to make the denominators equal. For example, we have given the following unlike fractions, that is 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4. To make the denominators equal, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator of 1 upon 2 by 2. That is 1 into 2 upon 2 into 2 is equal to 2 upon 4. Now we can see 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 4 having same denominators are like fractions. Here is an activity for you to make the following fractions like 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 9. Now visualization of addition of like fractions. It is easy to add fractions with the same denominator, that is like fractions. We can see here a fraction of a pizza, that is 1/4 or 1/4 plus 1/4 of another pizza. If we add them together, we get 2/4 of the complete pizza, or we can also call it, we can also see it is 1/2 of the pizza. 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4 or 1/2. Another example, we can see 5/8 part of a pizza and we add 1/8 part to it. We will get 6/8 of the total pizza, that is 3/4 of the whole. 5/8 plus 1/8 is equal to 6/8, or we can also call it 3/4 or 3/4. Addition of like fractions. In this figure we have 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4. If we add them together, we get 3 upon 4, as we can see in the figure. So to add the like fractions, we just add the numerators. The denominator will remain the same. The activity for you is add the following fractions. Now let's have a look on subtraction of like fractions. We can see the figures here. 5 upon 8 minus 3 upon 8, what is left with us is 2 upon 8. So to subtract the like fractions, we just subtract the numerators. The denominator will remain the same. Activity for you, subtract the following fractions.